So let's work with the exercise problem, guys. A very simple thing to check whether these given set of lists of numbers are in AP or not. The test is simple. If at all I find the difference between any two consecutive terms is common, is same, then I say they are in arithmetic progression. Nothing much. So how to do that? Let's see. We'll take this guy as T1, this is T2, this is T3, and that's T4. I will find T2 minus T1. That's like 3 minus 1, which is like 2. Okay, that's the difference I have. Is it the same difference between these two terms? Let's say T3 minus T2. That goes like 6 minus 3. What I have is 3 here now. Look at that. The difference here is 2, right? And the difference here is 3. It is not same, right? So I can definitely write that T3 minus T2 is not equal to T2 minus T1 in this case. So it means that is not maybe, right? So this is not in AP. That's it, arithmetic progression. Cool. Come back to this guy and check. Now let me take this guy as T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4, and this is T5, right? Now, what I'm doing is find the difference between these two terms, the T2 minus T1. That goes like 5 minus 3. That's like 2 here. T2 minus T1 is 2. Let's go with this, guys. That is T3 minus T2. That's like 7 minus 5. That's again 2. Look at that. Now you see that the difference between these two consecutive terms is 2. These two consecutive terms is also 2. Let's check with the other two guys. Let's take this as T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3 is what? That is 9 minus 7 is again 2. I can see the difference is same in all of them. So I can just write that T4 minus T3 is equal to T3 minus T2, and that is equal to T2 minus T1. So all of it is equal to 2. It means we have a common difference between any two consecutive terms of that sequence or that progression. So yes, this is in AP. All right, this progression is in AP. That's it.